In this video, you'll learn how to run the advanced memory test using Lenovo XClarity Essentials OneCLI. This process applies to Intel-based ThinkSystem V2 and V3 servers, as well as AMD EPYC-based ThinkSystem V1 and V3 servers. Open a command prompt with administrator privileges. Navigate to the folder where you extracted OneCLI to check that the post-watchdog timer is set to disabled. Run the OneCLI config show command with the setting name to display the current configuration. The B parameter is to specify the target server's BMC access details with the format shown on the screen. If it is enabled, run the OneCLI config set command to disable it. To enable the advanced memory test, run OneCLI config set command and set the imm.uefi memory test value to repair. This will run the test and repair any failing memory rows. Optionally set the AMT test policy to always if you want the test to run on every reboot. If no policy is set, the default is a single execution. Lenovo recommends running AMT at least once every 6 months, power on the server or perform a manual restart. During the late post stage, UEFI activates the AMT and automatically restarts the system. Once restarted, the advanced memory test will run. When the test completes, UEFI saves the results in the XCC service data as a proprietary TZZ file, viewable only with Lenovo supports specialized tools.